Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and a big hello to all our listeners. It is so good to be here with you today. How are you feeling, Emily?
I am feeling wonderful, Paul. Thank you. The sky is blue, and I have a cup of tea. So I am very good. And you?
I'm doing great, thank you. I had a nice walk this morning. It's a beautiful day.
Oh, that sounds lovely. A walk is a great way to start the day.
It really is. It makes me feel happy and ready for our chat.
I'm glad to hear that. And today, we have a really fun and happy topic to talk about.
Ooh, I like the sound of that. What is it?
Today, we are going to share our favorite English words.
Wow, what a fantastic idea. I love words. But only easy words, right? For our A1 friends?
Yes, of course. Simple, beautiful words. Words that make you feel something good.
Perfect. I can already think of a few. But before we start, we should say a quick hello to our community.
You are right. To everyone listening, if you enjoy our podcast, please take a moment to click the like button.
And be sure to subscribe. That way, you will always know when a new episode is here.
Yes, and please share our channel with your friends and family. Learning together is always more fun.
Exactly. Okay, I'm ready. Favorite words. Do you want to start, or should I?
You can go first this time, Paul. What is one of your favorite English words?
Okay. My first choice is a classic. The word is happy.
Happy. Oh, I love that word. Happy. It just sounds happy, doesn't it?
It does. It's a word that is also a feeling, a wonderful feeling. When I see it or say it, I feel a little bit better.
Me too. It's impossible to say happy and be sad.
Try it. It's difficult. For me, happy is the color yellow. It's bright and warm.
Oh, I love that. Like the sun. For me, happy is the sound of my friends laughing.
That is a very happy sound. I think of my dog when he sees me. His tail moves so fast. That is pure happy.
Oh, that's so sweet. Animals are very good at being happy. They don't need a big reason.
That's true. A sunny day, a good friend, a nice song, these are all happy things.
Yes, it's a simple and perfect word. Great start, Paul.
Thank you. Now it's your turn, Emily. What is your first word?
My first word goes very well with yours. My word is smile.
Smile. S-M-I-L-E. Oh, that's a brilliant word. Yes, when you are happy, you smile.
Exactly. A smile is something you can give to anyone. It's free.
It is, and it's a universal language. No matter where you are in the world, a smile means something friendly.
It really does. It can change your whole day. If a stranger smiles at you on the street, it feels nice.
It does. It makes you feel connected. A smile says, "Hello, I am friendly."
Yes, and you can hear a smile in someone's voice too when you talk on the phone.
That is so true. When you talk, I can hear your smile, Emily.
Thank you, Paul. A smile is a beautiful thing. It makes your face light up.
It does. It's a very positive action. A great choice for a favorite word.
Thank you. Okay, Back to you, Paul. Another favorite word, please.
All right. My next word is family.
Family. Ugh, that's a very important word.
It is. For me, family means love and support. It means home.
Yes, it's your first group of friends, isn't it? Your mom, your dad, your brothers or sisters.
Exactly. They are the people who know you the best. You can always be yourself with your family.
That's so true. The word family feels very warm and safe.
It does. It's a word that means comfort. And family is not always blood. Sometimes your friends are your family.
Oh, yes. That is a beautiful thought. A friend family. I like that.
Me too. Family is about connection and being together, sharing meals, talking, laughing.
It is. It's a word full of memories and love. What a wonderful choice.
Thank you. Okay, Emily, let's hear your next word.
My next word is beautiful.
Beautiful. That is a beautiful word to say.
It is, and it describes so many wonderful things.
It does. A beautiful day, a beautiful flower, a beautiful song.
Yes, for me, a sunset is beautiful. All the colors in the sky, wow.
Oh, yes. Sunsets are very beautiful. And so are sunrises. The start of a new day.
True. I also think a kind person has a beautiful heart.
Wow, yes, that's a deep thought. Beautiful is not just for things we see, it's also for things we feel.
Exactly. A beautiful action, like helping someone. A beautiful friendship.
I agree. It's a word that describes the best things in the world. Things that make our eyes and our hearts happy.
Yes, it's a word full of wonder and admiration.
It is. Excellent choice. Okay, my turn again. I have a very simple one now.
I'm ready.
My word is water.
Water. W-A-T-E-R. That's interesting. Tell me why.
Well, water is life. We need it every day. But I also just love the sound of the word, water.
It does have a nice sound. It's very soft.
And I love the sound of actual water. The rain on the window, the ocean waves.
Oh, yes. Those are very relaxing sounds. Very peaceful.
Exactly. And a cool glass of water on a hot day, it's the best feeling.
It really is. So simple, but so good.
And water is beautiful to look at. A calm lake, a strong river. It's always moving, always changing.
That's a lovely way to think about it. It's simple, but so important and powerful.
Yes. So, water is one of my favorite words.
I understand it now. That's a great one. Okay, my next word is music.
Music. Oh, I love music, of course.
Who doesn't? Music is a friend for everyone.
It is. There is a type of music for every feeling. Happy music, sad music, music for dancing.
Yes, if I need energy, I listen to fast music. If I want to relax, I listen to slow, calm music.
Me too. Music can completely change my mood. It's like magic.
It is like magic. And it doesn't matter what language the song is, you can still feel the emotion.
That's a great point. It's another universal language, like a smile.
Yes, I love to listen to music when I cook or when I drive. It makes everything better.
I agree. Life without music would be very quiet and a little boring.
I think so too. Music is a word full of life and feeling.
A wonderful choice. Okay, I have my next one. This one is also a feeling. My word is kind.
Kind. Oh, Paul, that is one of my favorites too.
Is it? It's just such an important word.
It's maybe one of the most important qualities a person can have, to be kind.
I think so too. It means you are good and friendly to other people. You think about their feelings.
Yes, a kind word can make someone's day, like, you did a good job, or I like your shirt.
Exactly. Small things. A kind action like holding a door open for someone.
It costs nothing to be kind, but it can mean everything to another person.
So true. Being kind is a choice, and it's always the right choice.
It is. The world needs more kindness, so kind is a word that gives me hope.
Me too. It's a warm and gentle word. I love it.
A perfect choice. Okay, my turn. My next word is book.
Book. B-O-O-K. A friend for a quiet afternoon.
Yes, a book is a door to another world.
Wow, I love that description. It's true. You open a book and you can go anywhere.
You can travel to the past or the future. You can meet interesting people.
And you can learn so many new things. A book is a teacher.
It is. I love the feeling of holding a book and the smell of the pages.
Oh, yes. The smell of a new book is wonderful.
I find reading very relaxing. It's a quiet time just for me, my cat, a cup of tea, and a good book. Perfect.
That sounds like a perfect afternoon. Books are treasures. They are full of stories and ideas.
They are. So, book is a word that means adventure and comfort to me.
I can see why it's a favorite. Okay, my final word for today.
Oh, the last one. What is it?
It's two words, but we say them as one thing. It is thank you.
Thank you. Oh, that is a beautiful choice, Paul.
I think it is so important. These two small words are full of respect and gratitude.
They are. When someone does something for you, it's so important to say thank you. It shows you see them.
Yes, it shows you appreciate their help or their kindness.
And it makes the other person feel good too. It's a small gift you can give them back.
Exactly. You can say it for big things and for small things. Thank you for the coffee. Thank you for your help.
Thank you for being my friend.
Yes, that's a very important one. It's a phrase that builds connection between people.
It does. It's polite and warm. I think we should all say it more.
I agree. So thank you is my final favorite.
I love it. Okay, my final word is dream.
Dream. Oh, what a magical word to end with.
I think so. The word dream has two meanings, and I like both.
Ah, you mean the stories in our head when we sleep.
Yes, those dreams. They can be funny or strange. It's like a movie in your mind.
It is. It's always a surprise. And what is the other meaning?
The other meaning is your hope for the future, your big wish.
Oh, yes. Like, my dream is to travel the world.
Exactly. A dream is something you want to achieve. It gives you motivation. It gives you hope.
That's a beautiful thought. So a dream can be a goal, something to work for.
Yes. So the word dream is about imagination and also about the future. It's a very hopeful word.
It really is. It's about possibilities. What a fantastic final word.
Thank you. Wow. So let's see. Our list, we have happy, smile, family, beautiful, water, music, kind, book, thank you, and dream.
What a collection of positive, wonderful words. This was so much fun.
It really was. It's nice to stop and think about the simple words we use every day.
It is. And it shows that you don't need big, difficult words to say something beautiful.
That is a very good point for all our learners. Simple English is beautiful English.
Yes. Well, our time is almost over for today. I really enjoyed this conversation, Emily.
Me too, Paul. It made me feel very happy. And thank you to everyone who listened with us.
Yes, a big thank you to all of you. We hope you had fun.
And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Mr. English Channel, so you never miss an episode.
And give us a like if you enjoyed talking about words with us.
And now for your homework. Just kidding, but we do have a question for you.
We do. Please leave a comment below and tell us what is your favorite English word.
We would be so excited to read your answers. Maybe it's one of our words, or maybe you have a different one.
I can't wait to see them. Okay, everyone, that's all from us for today.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and find the words you love.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.